Okay, so it's been a little bit since we've made a GameStop video, and I figured, hey, why not? It's Saturday. Let's break down the charts, cover what's been going on with GameStop, and I want to go over what I'm looking to do. And we'll break down some numbers later in the video, as I do think they're going to report earnings pretty soon. Or actually, no, wait a second. They already reported earnings about a month ago. Either way, we're going to break down some numbers as well in this video. So guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Make sure to get onto the email list as well, guys. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks for free every single Monday. That is linked in the description box. And now let's get into it. So GameStop, it's been creeping up over the last couple of weeks. It looks like here back in the middle of December, we were at $25 per share, and now we're at $31. And just about a week ago, looks like here the day after Christmas, we were at $34 per share. So some of you guys might think GameStop is dead in the water, it's forgotten, nobody's in it anymore, but this thing's been flying a little bit under the radar lately, and it's been creeping up. We're up around, it looks like here, 23% in the past month, roughly, and when we were at $34 at one point, mind you, it was a moment in time, but we were up nonetheless about 33% off that low at one point about a week ago, which is nuts, right? So GameStop has been creeping up. We're above the moving averages on the 1 hour chart here. We put in a higher low recently, it looks like on Friday morning. And to me, guys, on this time frame, I don't know about you, but it looks like we have a wedge here, lower lows, rather lower highs and higher lows at the same time. And I don't know, this looks like it's about to break out, in my opinion, above 31, 32. I mean, we're already above 31. 32 is the next spot. And we are seeing, or I'm kind of seeing, a bit of a bull flag here, a little bit on the 5-day, 5-minute, but on the intraday, you guys can see it as well. So I'm going to set my alert right here at $32 per share on GameStop. Again, on the charts, it looks like, man, if we break 32, we could be going a lot higher. 34 in the short term, maybe even higher than that. And you guys know this stock, I'm not sure the exact short percentage right now, short interest, but it's up there. It's definitely up there. And man, if it breaks out of, let's say, $32, next resistance is in the low mid 40s, man. We have a long ways to go to the upside. And this thing, it's been holding up. It's been holding up pretty well and slightly creeping up. Really, it started back in the beginning of November. And I think it correlates with Roaring Kitty going back on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. I mean, he's not crazy active like he was back when we saw the crazy run-ups. When was that? May and June? Yeah, about 6, 7, 8 months ago. Not as active as back then, but he has been tweeting, the little memes, whatever you want to call them. Let me pull it up here on my X, guys, and make sure to follow me. Shoot me a follow on X. I'm pretty sure it is linked down below. I think my @ is at Stas Talk Stocks. Yeah, make sure to go follow me on there. Not crazy active on X, but we're still posting a couple times a week. Nothing crazy. So here's Roaring Kitty. He posted this on the 1st of January, and I'm trying to figure out who this is. It kind of looks like a mix of Cat Williams. Is this Cat Williams? Do you guys remember that rapper from like 10 years ago, Trinidad James? I doubt any of you guys remember him. Remember that song, All Gold Everything or something? I don't know why, but when I saw this GIF right here, I was like, that's a mix of Cat Williams and Trinidad James, the most random thing that I could have thought of in my head. It popped up in my head, guys, but honestly, I don't know who that is. Maybe if we click on here, we'll get a little more insight. Yeah, we got somebody saying, what does this mean? We got Unusual Whale saying, can't stop, won't stop. Look at this one, guys. This guy said, locked in for 2025. This is actually the first meme that Roaring Kitty tweeted about 6-7 months ago, whatever it was, that guy like leaning forward in his chair, and now the guy's completely fallen off the chair and he's going all the way down into the ground. You guys see that meme right here, but this is funny, of course. I mean, we gotta take it with a grain of salt, have fun with it. I mean, look at all these replies. We got a dog here with an apple in his mouth. This one's funny right here. Got the diamonds, of course, diamond hands. But yeah, I mean, he's been active a little bit. He tweeted this out. It got about 39,000 likes, 3.6 million impressions. Unbelievable. But I don't know who this is. And honestly, I don't know what this means. I'm not the best at decoding his memes and his tweets, guys, but we got that. And then we also got a present on Christmas. He tweeted this on Christmas. It's essentially a present. Maybe, that's signaling, it's symbolizing maybe we're going to get a gift in 2025. Maybe GameStop's going to go crazy. We all get a gift. Or maybe he's, at the end of the day, it could mean that. It could mean that. Or maybe he's just tweeting random crap at the end of the day and he's having fun with it, and really it means nothing. I mean, who knows at the end of the day, guys? But he's been back tweeting. Early in December, he sent this out. And before that, the last time was early September. So I really think the recent run-up just correlates with him coming back on X. Part of it, right? If you look at the stock chart, December 5th is when he tweeted that, the one you're seeing right here. And it was running up before December 5th, but it really started pushing again, before or right after he started tweeting again. But either way, guys, that is kind of an update on Roaring Kitty, kind of where he's at. And last I checked, he's still in the stock, obviously. We all know that, right? So GameStop right now is sitting at a $14 billion market cap. And the company just reported earnings about a month ago. And I vaguely remember the numbers. I'm pretty sure they missed pretty bad on both. And their revenue, I think, declined like 20% year over year. So not the best numbers out of GameStop. But obviously, guys, we know this company, this stock is not trading based on fundamentals at this point. But yeah, I mean, it's still worth looking at. At the end of the day, it is a company publicly traded. We got to look at the numbers. So for the current quarter, they're going to report for probably in a month and a half. They're projected 8 cents earnings per share versus 22 cents from last year. Not the best year over year, and revenues projected to decline again. The average estimate is $1.48 billion versus $1.79 billion from last year. So they're projected to lose 20%, more like 17%. Either way, year over year, not the best look. Not the best look for GameStop, revenue-wise, EPS-wise either. I'm not loving it. I'm not loving it. But again, guys, traders, the people in GameStop, they don't give a crap really about the fundamentals too much. They're in it for the squeeze, the big move, the potential of it going God knows where, right? And here on Yahoo Finance, I mean, I don't think this is accurate. I don't think this is the real number, but short percentage of float, 8.7%. Short percentage of shares outstanding, right around 7.2%. What do you guys think about that? I think it's higher than that, but we'll go with it for this video based on what we're seeing here on Yahoo Finance. But guys, it comes down to what we do on the charts. What are we going to do here on the 20-day chart? It's very important to watch out for that wedge. What direction are we going to pick? That's the $1 million question. My alert set at 32. That's a big spot of resistance. If we break out of there, guys, GameStop could be going nuts. That's the reality. So What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Join the free email list. That is linked down below. Check out the Patreon as well if you want to keep up with what I'm doing in my real portfolio every single week. That is linked down below as well. And guys, don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. Get on it. The clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to StockSurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.